So now you guys should have this sheet in your science folder, but we're not getting it out now. Okay, here was our statement of problem. Which type of flour as food? Not sugar or salt. Okay, so that's our problem. This is our guess. Now, if we do all our experiments and tomorrow we record our results and flour's not the thing, does that make our experiment wrong, everybody? No. Okay? Where did we learn from our experiment? Just because we didn't pick the right thing in our hypothesis, it doesn't mean it's wrong. It's just a learning experiment. Okay? So, I want, when I tell you, and not yet, we're going to gather around. So what does that mean?
Just turn it off, I guess, right now.
No, it's Tom.
I know. Just turn it off right now.
Okay, before I start, is there anyone that has them? Okay. Here is flour. Here is salt. Here is sugar. Okay, these are the three materials in our hypothesis. Which one of these three makes the yeast rise when you make bread? I'm not talking about it now. Okay, we made our hypothesis. We said it was flour. Now remember, we did a class vote. A couple of you might not have agreed with that, but remember, we only have time for one experiment. I'm going to do a little experiment. I'm going to tell you what we're going to do to see which one of it is. So here's three materials. Here's our fourth material, yeast. Okay, and inside of this, if you open this packet, it's just it's also a dry material, not liquid. Okay, we are going to be putting some of these ingredients in these little Coke bottles. Okay, I have tape on them because we're going to be labeling them. We have a little funnel that we're going to be pouring our things. The year we've talked about some things in the English measuring system, like inches, feet, gallons of water, measure out maybe something in yards. We've also talked about the metric system. Okay? Now, how many of you have gone to the grocery store and bought Coke or Pepsi or some kind of pop in a 2-liter bottle? You know, they're about that big, the plastic ones. Okay? How many of you have seen a 2-liter plastic bottle? Okay? Okay, who has not seen that? Anybody not seen one? Don't be silly. System. So you can't measure this and say, oh, pour in 2 inches of water. You have to use milliliters. It's just the rule. I didn't make it up. Okay, that's the way it has to be.
Where is our
Milliliters.
once you get to 100 milliliters, does it change into something else?
No, this is just how big it is. If it was taller, it could maybe go to 200 milliliters, or if it was wider. Okay? But this is as big as we need. We're going to be, when we get to, okay? In the metric system, we weigh using grams. This is a weight, and on the very top it says 200 grams. So if I put that on there, you can see that's pretty heavy. Okay? The lightest one is 1 gram. Only one I have left. This is 1 gram. See? Sure, because it weighs something. Okay? I'm going to lift it out. Oops.